Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So in today's lecture, we will discuss about hormones in animals. Okay, so this is basically a structural diagram of endocrine glands, endocrine glands in humans. Okay, so this is male and this is female. Okay, so now we will discuss how hormones in animals responds to particular situation. Okay, so how are such chemical or hormonal means of information transmission used in animals? Okay, what do some animals, for instance squirrels, experience when they are in squirrely situation? So their bodies have to prepare for either fighting or running away. So both are very complicated activities that will use a great deal of energy in controlled ways. Okay, so many different tissues types will be used and their activities integrated together in these actions. So, however, two alternate activities fighting or running. So, I am here giving you the example that if a squirrel is in situation of emergency, so it has only two options, either to fight with the situation or to run from the situation, are also quite different. So here is a situation in which some common preparation can be usefully made in the body. These preparations should ideally make it easier to do either activity in the near future. Okay, so if the body design in the squirrel relied only on electrical impulses, okay, that we have discussed in our first and second lecture on this chapter, via nerve cells, the range of the tissues in structure instructed to prepare for the coming activity would be limited. And on the other hand, if a chemical signal were to be sent as well, so we are taking the example of electrical and chemical responses. Okay, and if the chemical signal were to be sent as well, it would reach all the cells of the body and provide the wide ranging changes needed. So, this is done in many animals, including human beings, using a hormone called. So, what is the name of the hormone which is released? Is adrenaline, that is secreted from the adrenal glands. Adrenal glands, okay, to locate these glands. So these are the uh, let me show you the adrenal glands. These are the adrenal glands here in the human body. Okay, and they released a chemical named as adrenaline, which is released from adrenal glands. So adrenaline is secreted directly into the blood. So adrenaline is secreted directly into the blood and carried to different parts of the body. Okay, as the blood flows to all the parts of the body and carried to different parts of the body. Okay, students. So the target organs or the specified tissues on which it acts include the heart. So the target organs are heart. As a result, the heart beats faster, resulting in supply of more oxygen. So this chemical reaches to hearts and it the heart pumping more and releases more oxygen. Okay, the supply of the oxygen to our muscles increases. The blood of the digestive system and skin is reduced due to the, and what happens in response to that is the blood of the digestive system and skin is reduced due to contraction of muscles. Due to contraction of muscles. Okay, student. Around small arteries in these organs. So these diverts the blood to our skeletal muscles, and the breathing rate also increases because of the contraction of diaphragm and the rib muscles. Okay, so means our oxygen rate increases. Okay, so all these responses together enable the human body, okay, to. So what happens when these adrenal glands releases a chemical named as adrenaline, which get mixed with the blood and carries to the different part of the body, and then heart start pumping oxygen at a very high pace. Okay, means the heart to the different part, blood to the different part of the body gets reduced, and the oxygen flows increases. Okay, so this is how human hormones in humans, or you can say in animals, responds to a such animal hormones are the parts of endocrine glands. So these are the endocrine glands which I have shown you. So these are all the important functions. Having all these responses together enable the animal body to be ready to deal with any situation. Means to deal with any emergency, or you can say sudden situation. Okay, so such animal hormones are the part of endocrine glands, which constitute a way of control and coordination in our body. So student, this I have discussed now, which is hormones in human bodies, how they react to a particular situation. So these are the endocrine glands, means the adrenal glands. The main important function is to release a chemical named as adrenaline. Okay, and this get mixed with blood and carries to the different part. So this is all about hormones in animals, students. And if you have still any question or any doubt regarding this, then please do comment in the comment section of the video. Okay, and stay tuned for our videos of on next lecture named as life processes. Okay, thank you. Happy learning.